So, ayan guys, gagawa ako ng sauce para doon sa i-steam kong eggplant. So, ayan, kailangan natin ng minced garlic at saka itong chopped chili. So, lalagyan pala natin siya ng chicken powder. Then, hot oil. Ayan, hot oil. So, lagyan natin siya ng soy sauce. Oyster sauce. Then, oyster sauce, then sugar. And konting dark soy sauce. Konti lang. Ayan guys, i-steam natin tong egg tuloy. I-steam natin tong talong ng 15 minutes. Then, after steam for 15 minutes, so, biyakin natin yung eggplant. Then, lagay na natin yung ginawa nating sauce. Then, lagyan natin siya ng spring onion, chopped spring onion. And then, the last is hot oil. So, ayan na siya guys. Ready to serve na. Thank you for watching. God bless.